My childhood home burned in 2024. Climate change took everything.
Every year, worse storms, hotter summers, 10 million climate refugees, ecosystems dying.
Then in 2060, one city proved nature and tech could coexist. This is the world's first carbon-negative AI green city.
Every building is a living forest. 50 million trees grow inside the city itself.
The city absorbs more carbon than it creates. Net negative emissions. We're reversing climate change. Air quality? Perfect. Water pollution? Zero. Just clean, breathable air.
AI monitors every tree, every species, optimizes water, sunlight, nutrients.
12,000 species thrive here. Endangered animals return. Urban wilderness is alive again.
100% renewable energy, solar, wind, geothermal. Every building generates more power than it uses.
Zero water waste, rainwater captured, gray water recycled, every drop reused perfectly.
Every building grows food. Vertical farms feed 2 million people. No supermarkets needed.
Asthma down 73%, depression down 61%. Nature heals. People live longer, happier.
Carbon negative versus climate collapse. We found the answer.
Maintenance is endless. Trees grow wild. Roots damage buildings. Nature fights back constantly. Maintenance is endless. Trees grow wild. Roots damage buildings. Nature fights back constantly. Original residents can't afford to stay. Rent up 385%. Green cities became rich-only paradises. When AI fails, ecosystems collapse in hours. Total dependence on tech. No backup plan. So here's the paradox. We saved nature by controlling it completely.
By 2060, 34 green cities succeed, but 127 attempts failed. Money, maintenance, displacement.
This isn't fantasy. Singapore, Milan, Copenhagen, testing it now. Learning from failures.
Singapore, 40% green coverage. Carbon down 22%. It works.
But some cities cracked it. Affordable green housing, community-owned gardens. Everyone benefits.
2035, 10 cities carbon neutral. 2060, 34 carbon negative. 2075, that depends on us.
But 4.5 million green jobs created. Coal miners became solar installers. Just transition works.
I've never seen smog. Is the sky really supposed to be brown?
Climate refugees return home. Coasts rebuilt. Ecosystems restored. Second chances given.
Perfect nature or comfortable destruction. Which world do we choose?
It's 2045. Your family can join the Green City,
High cost.
but clean air for your kids. Do you go?
My home burned. But this city shows nature can heal. Will we build it everywhere or just for the rich?